Tonight's bold accusation. Jodi loves being on trial. Tonight, 12 jurors here in studio, and you, our online jury at home, will decide if Jodi Arias is guilty or not guilty of loving the fact that she's on trial. Now, Jodi's facing first-degree murder charges and faces the death penalty if she's convicted. But tonight, I'll prove to you, our online jury at home, and our in-studio jury, that Jodi actually loves being on trial. From the day of her arrest to 18 days on the stand, she's loving every minute of it, all because the focus is on her and her relationship with the man she was fatally attracted to, Travis Alexander. Now, after seeing that evidence, you're still not convinced? I have my own smoking gun here in studio, proof that when you see it, will leave no doubt in your mind that Jodi loves being on trial.
Tonight, you be the judge. The bold accusation, Jodi loves being on trial.
I don't see any remorse. I don't know if the judge would see any remorse. I don't know if the jury would see any remorse.
Our live studio jury is here to weigh the evidence and cast their vote with you. Guilty or not guilty. From Studio 7, this is HLN After Dark. Here now, Vinnie Politan and Ryan Smith.
Ryan Smith has a night off. Joey Jackson is with us. And Joey, this is why I believe this trial is so fascinating, because of this defendant's approach to this whole thing.
But you think she loves it?
She loves it.
Oh,
she loves
boy.
it. Because it's all about her, and it's about her relationship with this man that she's fatally attracted to. Why else would she be on the stand for 18 days?
But it's one thing to like attention. It's another thing to love being on trial. These are stressful events, Vinny.
It's stressful, yes, to a certain extent. But there are reasons why, beyond just the Travis Alexander, that she loves all this, because of who she is. She needs the attention. And who's getting more attention right now than Jodi Arias?
Well, I'll tell you
Nobody
this.
I know of.
If anybody can prove this,
I know, this is a tough one.
Got your work cut out for you.
Got it cut out, but I've got the proof tonight.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's see what the jury says, okay? A pleasant good evening, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. Good to see you. You ready for tonight? Okay, so this is a bold accusation. Jodi loves being on trial, and Vinnie Politan, he wants to prove that accusation to you. So this is how it's going to happen, okay? If you should conclude beyond a reasonable doubt that Jodi Arias loves being on trial, that's a vote for the prosecution, and you will vote guilty. The defense, however, is ready for him, okay? And they would argue to you that maybe she likes being on trial, maybe she likes attention, but does she love it? I don't think so. If you conclude and you side with them that she doesn't, then that's a vote of not guilty. You ready for that? Yes. To honor your civic duty, you solemnly swear? Yes. Well, we don't have to do all that, but you get it, right? All right, good. So, in moving forward, let's show you a little bit of evidence, okay?
I guess that's really all I needed. Sorry. Don't roll the tape yet. Boy, this is really hard. I'm trying to think if I want to say this or not. Is it because I'm not crying? No jury is going to convict me. I think I did a little tilt on my head and gave a little smile.
Why did you want to speak out today?
I kind of feel since I've been incarcerated, it's almost like there's been a proverbial duct tape over my mouth. Oh, holy night, I didn't hear you breathe. I took it as a compliment.
You should at least done your makeup, Jodi girls.
All right, so we have a defense team, and they are chomping at the bit on this bold accusation. Let's introduce you to them right now. We have Monica Lindstrom for the defense, criminal defense attorney out of Phoenix, Arizona. We have John Phillips, criminal defense attorney out of Jacksonville, Florida. And of course, last but by no means least, and giving the opening statement tonight, we have Ashley Merchant, and she's from Atlanta.
Thank you, Joey. Ladies and gentlemen, this is bold accusation. The state Vinnie has to prove that Jodi loves being trial. Who loves having 12 people sit in judgment of you for 5 months? Who loves having your sexual escapades and your psychological issues on trial for the whole world to see? Nobody loves that. She might like it, but she certainly doesn't love it. Who loves having to take antidepressants? Who loves having to take anti-anxiety medicine? Who loves not getting lunch every day and having migraines? Jodi doesn't love this. She might enjoy the attention, but she definitely doesn't love being on trial.
Pretty compelling opening statement to me, Ashley. Defense team is ready. Prosecution is up next.
I don't know why the defense doesn't embrace this accusation. The sicker she is, the more narcissistic she is, the more crazy she is, the likelihood is she won't go to death. Just like the defense in the courtroom. Mistake.
Like any trial, some of the most shocking evidence never comes out in court.
It's done your makeup, Jody. Gosh.
Riveting details that the jury will never see.
There's also a bit of morbid curiosity, I think.
Tonight, we pull back the curtain. It's what the jury doesn't know, but you will soon see next on HLN After Dark.